Hi, Jeremy. Yeah, probably the fastest way to get you to some information here on the, oops, nope, on the plugin is I'll send you a link, but right here we have the website plugins, and it is the Content Wizard right here. So send you a link to this page here. It sort of shows you here is a screenshot right here. This is what your doctor or your client, this is what their editing window would look like. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's kind of like, think of it like Microsoft Word. Really, here's the window. They get to put all their stuff in here, their content and whatnot, just like they would with Microsoft Word. And when they save, right, hit the save button at the bottom, then all that content that they've edited is now added to the web page. And there's what we call, like I said, those regions, and you actually create that through your I'm looking for a screenshot. We don't have one here, but there's an actual little in the administration area. You can go in, and we have videos that show you how to do it anyways, like everything else. But you go in and you can create a new region for a certain doctor, right? Take that region, you paste it into a page, and then whenever they go in and update through their dashboard, whenever they go and update their content and hit save, then all that content they have just updated is now, boom, goes in and updates what's been in the page. So let me see, online demo. So here we have, let's see how accurate this is. All right. Yeah, so here's a bit of an example. So here we go, we have a div container, and right here, this code snippet right here, basically your account for the administrator creates this code snippet. You copy, you paste it into wherever you want in the website, and then, for example, this may be the content that is displayed by just simply pasting this little snippet in there. If I've muddled that bit of information up, then like I said, I can do a better video for you here, right? But you can log in, right? Right through our online demo, and this actual section looks to be a little bit out of date. We've updated it a little bit since this, but so you can go to accounts, right, and you can go and edit an account. You can go to Content Wizard. Oh, this is the one you want. Manage. There's your get component code, right? You just copy this snippet of code right here into one of your pages, and then when somebody goes to update their content, it's done. They don't have to go in and do anything whatsoever. So with that said, you may want to look around this demo a little bit more. I'm just trying to look for so basically, Content Wizard like I said, we've updated ours a fair bit. This is actually looks a little bit out of date, but as a doctor, they would actually have just an administration area. They log in and they get basically this here, this sort of just a window like this, and then they can type and do whatever they want in here. As you saw by the screenshot earlier, that we've updated the TinyMCE, the editor. It has a lot more features than what we're actually showing right here in the online demo now. So, but basically all they do is they go in, they would update all this. As soon as they hit create or save, then whatever they've done in here will then be added to the site. To get this, you would actually just go to your account. There's your Diavolo. Quick and easy, go to the instructions tab, and then web apps. And what you can do is now you can hit add plugin. And then you can select Content Wizard. You see how it's 99 bucks? Right, do that, hit continue, and you'll see the price is adjusted for you, taking 25% off. Then you can choose your payment method and go through and complete the order, and then we can help you get that installed. The only thing is it needs to be installed on it won't work on a Windows server. That's the only thing. Most people don't use Windows servers, so it's not really a big deal. There's a few people that do for specific reasons, but it needs to be a Linux or Unix server, which is pretty much most of the web servers out there right now. So.